Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes S400. In this video I'll show you where are fuse boxes in this car. The first fuse box you can locate is on the left side of the dashboard. Simply open this cover. Second fuse box is located on the other side of the car. Open the glove box and pull from here. Here is the second fuse box. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.